Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be a review on the Mamaroo baby swing. I've had this swing for approximately 3 or 4 months. I got it when my baby was a newborn. I'll try to see if I have any clips of her in the swing when she was a newborn and insert them throughout the video. And I'm just going to do an overview, let you all know how it looks up close in case you're considering buying one for your baby or a baby that you know. And I'm also going to be giving you my opinion on it, my review, because at this point I've had it for a good enough time, and I think that I'll be able to give you all a good overview. So if you are interested, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to say is that this swing can be broken down. So you can break down the swing into parts if you want to transport it to another location. So I do like these balls. These balls are removable. So while your baby is swinging, they have something to look up at. This ball makes noise as well as has different colors and designs. This ball has like some material in it that makes a cool sound. And then the last ball has like a mirror on it. Also, get this back in if I can. It's a little difficult to record with one hand, so please bear with me. So here are what the straps look like. The straps are adjustable, of course. In the beginning, my baby really didn't love being in the swing. She cried every time she was in it, but she was a newborn. So I think that this was uncomfortable for her because she was used to being in my belly and really closed in, not really, just sitting there swinging. So she didn't really enjoy it, although I have seen some videos where newborns have enjoyed it. I guess to each his own. My baby really didn't. She didn't really start enjoying the swing and sitting in the swing without crying and squirming a lot until she was about 2.5, maybe 3 months. She's now 4 months and she really enjoys it. This part can also switch. So instead of the swing looking like this and the baby sitting at like an upright angle, you can pull this and you can have the baby kind of laying back and swinging. This is what the bottom looks like. It says for moms. It has the power button, it has the lock, Bluetooth, and I think this is the Wi-Fi. I'm not sure. I really didn't connect my phone to it, but I have seen phones being connected to it, so that's something that you can do. If you want to play your own music through the swing, you can do that. I don't. I play the songs that come with the swing already. You also have the ability to change the motion, pressing these 2 buttons, how you want the swing to go. And then you have different motion controls right here and right here. You have the music and then you have the volume. I'm going to plug it in and show you all what each button does and wrap up the video. So just one moment. Okay, so as you can see, you plug in the swing by connecting it there first. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the cord into the outlet. All right. And to turn on the swing, I just go ahead and press and hold this. Ignore the dust, please, it's a little dusty. Okay, so here is one of the settings. And it's kind of like a side-to-side motion. Okay, then you have this option. That's side to side as well, but it's more of like a dip. They also have this option. side to side too. It's a little bit different though. They have this option. I like how smooth the movements are. You also can do that motion. And that just goes in like a circular motion. Okay, you can go ahead and turn the music on. You can also have like a white noise sound, like a water sound, and then more music. I'm gonna cut it off short because I don't want any copyright. So that is pretty much it. Would I recommend this swing? Yes, absolutely. I've had multiple baby swings, as this is my 4th baby. And this one is by far my most favorite one. I like how easy it is to transport it. Like I mentioned, you can just take it down and it's very easy to be reassembled. I like the fact that it looks very sleek. The look is what drew me to it before I actually started reading reviews and diving into if it was going to be very efficient for what I was looking for a swing for. I wanted the swing to be able to soothe my baby, and I didn't want like some of the swings that I had with my other children. They weren't as like smooth, so I didn't want like a jerky swing, if that makes sense. A lot of you know what I'm referring to. So once I saw how this looked, I clicked on it. I think it was on Amazon, and I started reading reviews. I started watching different reviews that they had out there online. A lot of moms liked it. It's very, very smooth. I love the different options that it has. And like I said in the beginning, I kind of thought that I wasted my money because I thought my baby didn't, well, she didn't like it in the beginning. But as she got older and was able to fit into the seat a lot better, she enjoys it. She started to like it the older she got. So that's my review. I would definitely recommend it. As always though, you know, you want to make sure you do your own research. You want to make sure that whatever you're purchasing is something that you enjoy, that you're going to like. The Bluetooth feature, I really do like it, but honestly, I just haven't connected it. It took me a minute to connect, even Alexa. I just haven't connected it. I don't think I'm going to connect it. I was connected one time, but I really don't use that feature, but I do like that it's there in case I wanted to. So I do want to thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will have my Amazon link down below as well. So if you want to go ahead and purchase this Mamaroo, you can do so directly through Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.